Welcome, and thank you for stopping by the Urban Culture Kitchen. Today we're going to be learning a lesson on how to make Gorgonzola cheese sauce. Yeah, in this video, it's going to be real simple and easy. I want you guys to follow along this ingredients. For those that are new, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my weekly dishes. For those that are not new, welcome back, you guys. And let's get into the ingredients. So let's get into the ingredients with this Gorgonzola sauce. So the first thing you want to have is 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, you want to have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now, these you want to have because this is going to be your root that you start up this Gorgonzola sauce. All right, next, you want to have 3 cups of milk. You know what I'm saying? So you can do heavy cream, but 3 cups of milk is just fine. And next, you know what I'm saying, the star of the show is going to be your Gorgonzola. So you can have some crumble Gorgonzola, you know what I'm saying, it's another type of blue cheese, but way more creamier, you know what I'm saying, and has a nice little salt base to blend all these ingredients together. So let's get into making the Gorgonzola sauce, cheese sauce. So first we want to do is melt the butter in a medium saucepan over medium-low heat. So let's do that first. We're going to add in our butter. So definitely add in our 3 tablespoons of butter. And, you know, let's get to melting the butter. You want to add your flour in next. Just mix it in. This is your, you know, so the beginning of your roux and stuff like this. So just spread your flour around and mix it in with your whisk, you know, into the butter and stuff like that. So, you know, you want to make sure there's no clumps. So, you know, just keep mixing it around. What you want to do is when we add in the milk, the 3 cups of milk, we're going to be trying to cook out the flour of the roux. So we're going to be adding in the milk next, and just adding it slowly, you know what I'm saying, as you whisk it in. So whisk it in at a time, slowly. You know, just whisk it in little by little. You know what I'm saying, incorporate it in there. Now add a little bit more, you know, saying, to it, and whisk a little bit more to the sauce. You know what I'm saying, to you know what I'm saying, get rid of the clumps out of your flour. And after you you know what I'm saying, whisk them down, you see there's not any more clumps in there. Add the rest of your milk. And what you want to do next is allow the mixture to get thickened before we add the Gorgonzola. You know, so let's just cook for a little bit as it thickens with the flour and the roux. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be adding in the Gorgonzola. So right before we add the Gorgonzola, I'm going to add some garlic in here. Just about a tablespoon of garlic. That's about it. It's been around 10 minutes, so the sauce has been, the roux has been thickening up. So we're gonna be adding in the Gorgonzola next, and we're gonna do is, you know what I'm saying, continue to stir it until it's actually melted down smoothly, so to the consistency, you know, the Gorgonzola cheese sauce. So let's add in the Gorgonzola cheese. You know, just spread it around. You know, sprinkle it in. All right. And, you know, stir it in. Now, mind you, the temperature is still on medium-low heat. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, so when we got it to thicken up, it was about, you supposed to give it about 10 minutes before you add in the Gorgonzola cheese into it. So now, you know what I'm saying, just stir it till the cheese, you know what I'm saying, fully melts down, and we'll be almost done. And then we add in our salt and pepper, you know, to taste, depending on if you need to or not and stuff like that. It melts down pretty quickly, so, you know, you don't have to be stirring it too long, and stuff like that. Just make sure you get all the sides, and stuff like that as you mix it. But you see that starting to thicken up and it's starting to melt as well. All right, so what we want to do is add in a little black pepper, and you can add in white pepper, but what I'm gonna do is add in black pepper, and you can add in a little bit. That's just about it, about a pinch, and that's it. You know. All right, and I'm about to stir this in, you guys, and we're gonna be done. And then we can add in the gnocchi, you know what I'm saying, next to it. All right, so add the gnocchi into your Gorgonzola cheese sauce. You know what I'm saying? Stir it around, mix it on in. You know, get it fully covered, you guys, and then it'll be ready to serve. All right, so let it cook with the sauce for about give it about 5 minutes, and it will be fully cooked and done. All right, you go, guys. We just plated up the gnocchi with the Gorgonzola cheese sauce. So we're gonna be, you know, saying, garnishing it with little green onions and stuff like that to finish it off to get ready to be served. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make Gorgonzola cheese sauce. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. And hope to see you guys in the next dish. This is your boy KC from the Urban Culture Kitchen. See you later.